PNI House IPMAX2 video surveillance kit can be controlled from mobile devices via Android and iOS compatible vMEyeCloud and from the PC via General CMS software. The installation file of the CMS can be found on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our website from the download section. With NVR in the package, you can record and play images from up to 12 960p IP video surveillance cameras. For recording images, you can mount within your NVR two internal HDDs of 6 TB each. The two high-resolution cameras, 720p, are provided with 24 IR LEDs, each endowing you with quality night shooting. Now you can access and track real-time images recorded by PNI House IPMAX2. We also add complete access to the system that allows you to access the settings, viewing records, downloading records, etc. With the evolution of surveillance systems, HDD manufacturers have created dedicated solutions for them. Thus, for trouble-free operation of surveillance systems, we recommend using only dedicated CCTV hard disks with 24/7 reliability, durability, and quality. Thanks to the ONVIF standard, you have the freedom to use different CCTV equipment regardless of the manufacturer. This way you can purchase, combine, and use various cameras and recording units if they are ONVIF compliant.